Welcome to my channel. Now we are going to discuss about the squares of two-digit number for any other remaining number. Before that, we have to remember the square from 21 to 25. It's better if you remember all the square from 21 to 25 square. Now without that, we also calculate, let's say 21 to 29, you want to calculate the square, and we have to calculate 21 square. Now here we will take what is the base. Base is 20 because these numbers are nearby 20. Okay, all right, and it will give a three-digit number. Now let's compare. 21 is how much greater than 21, so we will write +1 here, and remember, as I have said, it will give a three-digit number. Now how to calculate the first two digit and the last digit? Let's see. The first two digit will be the number itself plus the key number 1. Okay, so 22. So 22 is going to be first digit, and for the last digit it will be that 1 square. So last digit is 1 square is 1, and then 22. So the answer is 22. Now is that correct if you apply the previous method? No, that is not correct. All right, so here is the difference. Okay, if you have not watched my previous video, please watch it before coming to this chapter. Okay, here what we have to do is that 22 plus 2 we will do. Okay, and the answer is 441. Why? Because the base is here 20, so we have to multiply by 2 after following the same procedure. All right, I hope you will got it what I'm doing. Otherwise you go to my previous videos, okay, for calculating the square. Now let's say 23 square we need to calculate. So how much is from 23? Now what we have to do here is that the last digit will be 3 square. 3 square is going to be 9, and then for the first two digit, all I'm going to do is the number itself 23 plus the 3. Okay, it will be 26, and after that 26 will be multiplied by 2. Okay, and now the number becomes 52. So the answer is 529. Okay, so remember the base is 20, and it will give a three-digit number. Okay, now let's say we need to calculate 24 square. 24, how much from 24, right? So it will be 24 plus 4, 28. Now it has to be multiplied by 2, so 56, and then the last will be this 4 square, and that will be 16. But I have said it will be three-digit number. We have to write 1 above and 6 below, and 56 plus 1 will be 57. So the answer is 576. I hope all you get it, how we are going to calculate the square. But for your speed purpose, I request you to remember up to 25 square, from 1 to 25 square, and then you can easily calculate the square of any two-digit number. Okay, let's say 27 square. Now here you can apply the same method one, but here we are going to do in a very slightly different manner. Here we will take two bases. One is from 25, another one is from 50. Okay, remember the rules of 50. Okay, now compare. 27 is how much from 25 plus 2, so the first digit will be 2. Next we have to calculate from 50 how much is 27. The difference is 23, and for the last two digits, what is 23 square? Remember, so it is written there 529, but as I have said, it will be a three-digit number. 5 will be carried over and 29 will be there, so the answer is 729. Hope you get it. Okay, if you don't watch the previous video, you will not understand what I'm doing, so I request you to watch all the previous videos, 2 videos, so that you will understand. or what? If you don't understand, then yeah, obviously just watch over and over again. Okay, so let's calculate 32 square. 30 20 from 25, it is 7. So first digit is 7. So compare from 50. How much is that? 18. The distance is 18. Now we will write 18 square, and we know what is 18 square, right? Remember what is 18 square? 18 square is, we know it's 324. So we will write 3 above and 24 below, and then 8 numbers. So it will be 7 plus 3 is 10, right? And 24. So also remember that the 4-digit square of any number which give which give 4 digits will start from 32. Okay, up to 31 is square, it will be a 3-digit number, and from 32 onward, and from 32 onwards, it will be a 4-digit number. Okay. I hope you to watch over and over again so that you understand, and practice. Okay, without practice you will not get anything. Okay, so I request you to watch my video and pause wherever it's possible if you don't understand. Now let's discuss any other square. Let's say 49 square. Okay, here we can do like 25, and then from 50, but we will not do that, because from 20, if you calculate from 25, so it will be further complicated things here, because the numbers are nearby 50. So we'll take only one base, and that is 50. So let's say from 50, how much is less than 1 less than. So apply the rule of 50, base 50. So key number 25 minus 1. So you know this is the key number 25, and so it will be 24. And then this 1 square 1, but it will be a 4-digit number, so we'll keep 0. So 0 1. All right, so this is how we have to calculate, right? So let's discuss some more examples. For practice purpose, you need to make your own, applying the rules. Okay, let's say 63 square. 63. Now compare from, we have to compare it from 50. So you have to take the base as 50, because this number is nearby 50. Okay, and so 50 to say how much? 13, right? 13. So it will be a 4-digit number. So let's say, so how we are going to calculate the key number 25 plus 13, so it will be 38, and last will be 13 square. Okay, 13 square is 169, so 1 will be written there, and 69 will be here. So the answer is 3969. Right, hope you like the method, I hope. All right, so I'm doing just compilation of all the shortcuts which are required for any other examination, right? And it will give a, like, a boost in your practice purpose. Okay, let's take up examples. Another example, let's just 73 square. Yeah, as usual, compare from 50. How much is that? So we are going to take the base 50. 73 is 23, right? So you have to take the key number 25 plus 23, so it will be 48. Now the last 2 digit will be 23 square, and we know what is 23 square. 23 square is 529, right? So this 23 comes from that the difference. Okay, 529, so it will be 529. Okay, so always remember it is going to be a 4-digit number, right? So just add the numbers, so it will be how much? 48 plus 5, right? So it's 48 plus 5 so that's going to be 53 and 29. Now So these are the some methods. Now let's calculate 83 square. Now in this case we are not going to take from 50 because it will be, the distance is very much. So just remember the rule of 100. How much is from 100? 17. So first the two digits is going to be the number 83 minus 17. Okay, 83 minus 17 is going to be 66, and the last two digit is going to be 17 square, and it will be 289. Okay, and then as I have said, you have to remember up to 25 square in order to fast calculate. So 289 it will be written here, and the answer is going to be 6889. Right. So 6889. Okay.